test. I want to chop your heart. Never need a back and it's open the make us feel. Yeah, my love, want to make a bad man sing.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am back with another video and I'm going to talk about Printify today. They have some new products and I wanted to try out one today, which is the printed frost glass. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'm going to go over to Printify. In my account and I'm on Printify's homepage, I'm going to go down to catalog and this would be under like mugs and stuff. Let's just go to home and living and really feel like it might be with the mugs. There's the frosted bear mug. There it goes. The frosted pint glass. I have the frosted pint glass under mugs and home and living. It's 16 ounce, 100% glass with a matte frost finish. One side, semi-translucent print, blank product sourced from China and dishwasher safe. So here are little mock-up pictures, and then they have that small size. So the design, I made it cloudy. It could blend in just a little bit. Here we get some more specs. Price is $8 from USD. Shipping $5.79, 2 to 9 business days. Wraparound exterior, which I guess I can't tell. So we shall see. I know the print is 900 by 900. A little bit more information here about the frosted glass and care instructions. If you guys want to scroll down, go over that. I'm going to go ahead and hit start designing. So I have my design and it is uploading. Did I remove? No, it looks like I can see a little bit of the frost. So here it covers there. I'm going to go ahead and hit preview to see what that looks like. A little frosted, not as much as I want it to be. It's cute, actually. I'm going to stick with that since it has the purple in it. You can look at it from different angles. The only thing that I would do different, now I'm keep thinking about it, is make that a little bit lighter. But I think I'm going to stick this one out. I'm going to stick that out. I'm going to hit edit to make sure I got everything I needed for this print. So it shows these 3 sizes. If there was another layer, you would be able to add the layer there. I'm going to go ahead and save this product. It's only in one size. I'll go ahead and buy this frosted glass, pint glass, and you guys, that you will see is me unboxing my Printify frosted pint glass. Today I have a package that I'm going to unbox, and it came from Printify. I haven't opened it yet, but I do have the frosted pint glass, which is 16 ounce, and I'm going to go ahead and let you know the specs. So the frosted pint glass, which is 16 ounce, came from Chick-fil-A. The price of the pint glass is $8.13. Shipping is $5.78. So I paid a total of $15.48. I ordered on the 17th, shipped on the 19th, arrived on the 26th. And it came just like that in this little container. And this is so cute. It looks just like I imagined it would look. I hope I don't break it because I'm clumsy. This in my kitchen, oh my. It's so cute. So I'm in my out the way, but still in my bag season. So I named that a podcast episode not too long ago, and I was excited. So it is frosted, as you can see. Has just frosted pink glass with a barcode at the bottom. But this looks really good, and it's a nice weight. This is a good gift for Christmas. Yes, I'm definitely going to be using this. Super cute. Quality is good. This is thick. I did not expect to love it so much because I think on my mock-up it looked like it had a white line on the outside of it, but nope, that did not show up at all. It looks really good, guys. So shout out to Printify for the frosted pint glass. Love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time.